Hi everyone, in this video, I'll provide everything you need to know before buying Create Studio 3.0. This software allows you to create professional quality videos with tons of animations and effects to choose from. If you're looking for a complete video creation tool with features that will be helpful to you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what Create Studio 3.0 offers, helping you confidently decide if it's worth your $199 investment. This video answers crucial questions such as whether you need to pay extra for Create Studio 3, if their software is as easy to use as advertised, and what exactly you get for your $199 investment. Overview of Create Studio 3.0. Create Studio 3 is a versatile and powerful video creation software designed to cater to a wide range of users. Whether you're a content creator, a business owner, an educator, or a freelancer, this tool can help you produce high-quality videos with ease. The software is packed with a variety of features that make video production simple and efficient, even for those who are new to video editing. Pricing and value. With Create Studio 3.0, a $199 investment lets you create and export unlimited videos without any extra fees. You can produce videos in HD or 4K resolution with no limits. More than 300 characters and counting, 800 plus done-for-you templates, AI background removal. Realistic premium AI text-to-speech creator. Share projects. New characters added every month. New templates added every month. And new done-for-you scene packs added every month. This is particularly beneficial for those looking to monetize their videos on platforms like YouTube or sell them to clients, as there are no additional charges involved. Customize 3D characters and lip sync. With the $199 standard license, Create Studio 3.0 provides access to 4 customizable 3D characters for a lifetime. Customizing these characters is simple. Drag them onto the canvas, use the Customize tab to modify their appearance, including clothes, hair, accessories, colors, and skin tones. These characters come with pre-built animations that are easy to adjust, including changing animation duration, rotating characters 360 degrees, and altering their expressions. The characters also feature lip sync capabilities for voiceovers. For text-to-speech, users can choose between Create Studio AI voices, credits needed, or Google Text-to-Speech, free. Input text, select a voice, generate speech, and sync it with the character's lip movements. Additionally, users can import their own voice or record directly within the software. 3D Character Library. Let's take a look at the other 3D characters included with your $199 investment. These characters are not customizable, but you still have a wide range of characters with unique and similar animations. Certain characters, marked with a gold crown, are not available with the $199 license and require an upgrade to access. However, the characters provided in the standard package are more than sufficient for creating diverse content. Templates and scenes with AI voices. Create Studio offers a variety of templates and scenes to expedite your workflow. Templates are categorized into types like character explainer, promotional, business, and local business. You can preview and select templates, then customize them by choosing the orientation and editing the content. Similarly, scenes help speed up video creation. You can select scenes from various categories, add them to your project, and edit them just like templates. The standard license includes 150 plus scenes and 50 plus templates, while upgrading to the premium account unlocks the full library of over 800 templates and 1,200 scenes. This can save significant time, making the premium upgrade worth considering based on your hourly rate and typical work time. Motion presets and animation. Create Studio excels in text animation, offering numerous motion presets for in, out, and loop animations. You can animate text by paragraph, word, or letter, and combine these with other animations for more complex effects. These motion presets apply to all elements in Create Studio, including characters, videos, images, and more. Animated titles and emojis. Create Studio includes a collection of animated titles and emojis that you can drag and drop into your projects. These are all included in the standard license, providing a rich variety of assets to enhance your videos. Video editing in Create Studio 3.0. Create Studio also allows for video editing, meaning you can complete your entire project within this single software. You can incorporate your own footage, images, and voiceovers, and the integration with royalty-free websites simplifies finding and using additional content. The software includes tools for green screen removal, color correction, and various effects like the glitch effect. Music and audio. While the standard license comes with a few free music tracks, upgrading to the All Access Pass gives you access to a comprehensive music library. This library includes over 18,800 tracks, with 20 new tracks added monthly. If you prefer not to upgrade, you can make a one-time payment of $37 to gain lifetime access to the music bundle. This ensures that you always have high-quality audio options for your videos. 2D characters and backgrounds. The $199 investment also includes 52 2D characters and various 2D and 3D image backgrounds. These characters and backgrounds span across multiple categories, offering great versatility for your projects. You can also upload your own backgrounds. Create and export unlimited videos. With Create Studio 3, your $199 investment allows you to create and export unlimited videos without hidden fees. Whether producing standard HD content or 4K resolution videos, there are no limits. You can monetize these videos on platforms like YouTube or sell them to clients without additional charges. Now let's see some video generated by Create Studio 3.0.
Hi, I'm Bella. I really like dressing up. I like Bobby.
Hi, I'm Danny and I'm one of the awesome characters in Create Studio. Take a look at some of my favourite outfits and cool animations.
Woo, amazing animations, right? So should you invest $199 in it? Create Studio is suitable for anyone involved in video creation, including YouTubers, business owners, influencers, and agencies. It offers features that enhance your content creation efforts, making videos more engaging and interesting. In summary, as a long-term user, I can attest to the value and effectiveness of Create Studio 3. The $199 investment is worthwhile for the range of features and lifetime access it provides. If you decide to purchase Create Studio 3, please use the link in the description. This supports me and motivates me to continue bringing detailed reviews for you. If there's any other software you'd like me to review, please let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to my channel and giving it a like. See you late.